sa tanan. Buntag, brother. May notes ako. Anyway, I'm blessed and happy sa movie na tanaw na to. Siguro the movie, first and foremost, nag-remind sa to sa daghan nga mga reality sa life. One is that, damo gyud problema. You will face problems sa tigong pa sa mga batanon sa paglast. Damo yung problema, pero Lord, pwede weekly lang. Dili siya weekly. Once a week. Dili siya once a week. At times, ang problema nato magsapaw-sapaw. Naapay problema, naimabot nga problema, problema. So the same story with Ma'am Margaret. Lain-lain problema, that's one. But most importantly, I think the second reality nga ato makuha is that God is on His way. Bisan unsa ka problemado, unsa ka kapoy, unsa ka feeling nimo at lost ka, wa ka na mahimo, you reach out to people, your surroundings are not with you in that situation. But there is one who is always with you. That's sa gisulti, and that is God. And every time you reach out ka sa iya, He is always good. So, ma-remember na ko ang usa ka lyrics sa bridge sa kanta, misulti dira nga. Ako lang basahon. Find me here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out in surrender. So, touch the sky. Misulti dira nga, ako mabantayan niya, every time may problema siya, balik siya sa Ginoo. Basa sa Bible, ampo sa Ginoo. So it's a very strong and powerful message that whatever we have or whatever circumstances we are in, always go back to the Lord. Sa Ginoo pa ni Pastor, our relationship first and foremost should be strong dira sa Ginoo. Kay bisan magkainaunsa si Lord yun. No? Nindot ang iyang himo, pero kung saan ang nakanindot, every time na moduol ka sa Ginoo, He will never fail us. Naagid siya, humility. Naway basahon nga line, our story can be a testimony. Similar nga ang story ni Ma'am Margaret is a testimony to us. So, the more time I experience, yeah, our story can be a testimony. One last, nakastrike sa ako favorite verse na to. Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding, and in all your ways acknowledge Him and He shall direct your path. Favorite verse na to. Favorite verse na ko. One of my favorite verses. Pero in reality, it's very, very difficult. Labi na kung maabot sa sitwasyon na grabe ka ng wayway. Very difficult. Pero usa sa linya nga iya gisulti, trust the Lord with at the bottom of your heart. You don't have to understand. Ako personally, paspas kayo na akong mag-inang banay-banay dahil ba? Huna-huna, amo ni ako limuon. Based on logic, amo ni ako limuon. Based on circumstances, this is the most logical step to do. Pero iya gisulti,